While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. What's good, everyone? We're about to check out AleXa. I'm okay, official MV. Okay. First of all, I actually don't know. I don't know how it's gonna sound like. Oh no, I do. I heard the teaser. What I'm talking about? Lies. What? All right, let's check it out. Without further ado, AleXa, I'm okay, official MV. Let's get it. Let's go. I hope she's okay. Like, seriously. How you doing, girly pop? There's some flies, I hear.
Are you okay?
I don't...
Frontal lobotomy, there's a part of me missing.
Frontal lobotomy?
It started when I found out the voices weren't my friends.
Oh my god. That was like... Okay, it is 60 frames.
Hey. Oh, I got nowhere else to be. Feel my sanity drifting.
Oh no.
It hurts to admit, but when I'm laughing, it's pretend. I don't know my mind anymore. I'm okay.
You are!
The doctors say away. I don't wanna find out, don't wanna calm down. Let me start over.
Oh shit.
I'm okay. Institutions let me be. I don't wanna talk now. Think
Girl, are you okay? Hey, hit me up if you need anything. Hey, first of all, hair is on point.
it's all up.
But...
It feels like I'm going down. I don't mind being out there. In the dark with my friends, where the fun never ends all alone. Oh.
Okay, AleXa.
It's all distorted.
Whoa. Whoa.
Acting like they would know. They don't know. I don't know my mind anymore. I'm okay. Tell the doctor, stay away.
Whoa.
Wanna find out,
Okay.
wanna calm down.
I know Avril Lavigne is too. Oh, no. Oh, girl. You good?
I'm okay. Institutions let me be. I don't wanna talk now. Think it's all up. It feels like I'm going down. If I do it,
Sorry, I'm like...
is it gonna hurt like hell? I'm okay.
Bro, the first lyrics kind of hit. Like, I'm laughing, but... Wait, well, hold up.
If I do it to myself, is it gonna hurt like hell? But I'm okay. Frontal lobotomy, that's a part of me missing.
That's a crazy lyric.
It hurts to admit, but when I'm laughing, it's pretend. I'm okay. Tell the doctor.
Oh, okay, pop off, queen.
I don't wanna find out, don't wanna calm down. Let me start over. I'm okay. Institutions let me be. I don't wanna talk now. Think it's all up. It feels like I'm going down.
Oh my god. Bro,
Is it gonna hurt like hell? I'm okay. If I do it to myself, is it gonna hurt like hell? But I'm okay.
bro, I'm actually concerned. Are you good? Now she in her our punk rock feel, sunset, very Avril, yeah.
Frontal lobotomy, there's a part of me missing.
Was this in Oklahoma?
It started when I found out the voices weren't my friends.
Hey yo, hit me up. Hey yo, what inspired these lyrics? Frontal lobotomy. What? Say that one more time.
It started with the lobotomy, there's a part of me missing.
There's a part of me missing.
It started when I found out the voices weren't my friends.
It started out when all the voices weren't my friends. How the wait. Girly pop. Damn, you got me in my feels.
Are you okay?
Front
Is this Korea?
Are you okay?
Frontal lobotomy, there's a part of me missing.
Wait, what's her tattoo say? Sorry, I'm being like detective right now.
Frontal lobotomy, there's a part of me missing.
You cannot kill. You cannot kill when you did not create. What?
Frontal lobotomy, there's a part of me missing.
You cannot kill. Oh, you cannot kill what you did not create, right? Is that what it says? I'm not sure. What you did not create, right? Yeah. Damn, she ain't her Avril Lavigne-ish. I feel like this is AleXa though. Like actually AleXa. Like not like the idol. I feel like this is Alex. I might be wrong. And I don't know her like enough to say like this feels like Alex. I feel. But it does. Does that make sense? I wonder. I'm very curious. Maybe I should do an interview. I don't know. I'm very curious. I want to see what's in that frontal lobotomy in that mind of yours, Miss AleXa. Maybe sometime soon. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching. That's AleXa. I'm okay. Be sure to check it out. Link in the description. Go support her. And yeah, check out my Patreon. And till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.